Good day guys, being here. Today let's model a, I guess it's a bridge like this one. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so let's start. So I'll close this. Okay, so first we are going to model it in a new family conception mass. Okay, so first let's place 2 points. Okay, and then select them, create a spline, make it reference line. So this will starting and ending point. And then I'm going to place a point on, so draw on face and place it here. Okay, then reference rectangle and draw a work plan, set work plan, place it on this point. I'm going to draw a circle roughly this big. Okay, so now I'm going to add some dimension di. So from the line to the point and here as well. And then I'm going to select this dimension and create a parameter. So I'll call it W. Actually, it's half W, but I'll just call it W anyway. So, okay. And you will see we will be able to use this. So, for example, 5 meter. So, see, you can use this parameter to control the size of this profile. Okay, so then select this CC and copy one of them, so one set of them, so reference line, dimension, and also this point. Select this point, pick new host, and place it onto this reference line. So now we have two, I'll drag these back, 2 profile. Okay, so if I select these 2 reference line and create form, so this is the solid, the shape, and then what we need to do is select this point, rotate it by 90 degrees. Okay, so that's the shape we made, and then I'm going to just move this to this point, and also move this point to this point, which is 1. Okay, so now this is the shape. What we need to do next is select this form and divided surface. So if you look at this image, so this is like a diamond shape. Okay, so we can use a rectangle for them. So first select all of them. Please, I'll get rid of maybe not this end, maybe not this one. Okay, so only those these 4 face and faces. And what I'm going to do is, it's a bit hard to select them. This one, yeah. So 4, so 1 2 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, so select them, and I'll change this to fixed distance. Okay, fixed distance, and I'm going to use the same distance. So I guess maybe about 2 meter and 2 meter. Okay, so now you will see it's of course it's rectangle shape. So what we need to do is we need to rotate the grid. Okay, so first let's rotate U grid, this one. So to be honest, I don't know what angle we need to use. Let's try 30 degree. Okay, so let's try 30 degree as well. Looks like we need more, maybe 60. Yeah, maybe a little bit more, 70. And maybe I'll change this 20. So looks like not too sure. Maybe it's too narrow, too pointy. So maybe I'll change this back to 60 and 30. Yeah, I think that's better. And then we also need to rotate the overall, so which is this one, all grids rotation. Let's try 20 degree. So maybe a little bit less, 15. So now you will see it's almost let's have a look. Let's have a look. So it looks like, so see this point and this point, they will stop at this edge. So they all join at the edge, and then we'll have 2, 1, 2. So let's have a look of our model. So currently we have 1, 2, 3. So which means we need to change this. Let's try 2500 and 2500. We still have more than 2, maybe 27. No, still more. Still we need more. So 3 meter, 3 meter. Now it's closed. So you will see this is one, and this is another one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and also you will see this. We need to rotate the overall because it stopped here and then it go up. See this? So what I'm going to do is change this angle. Let's try 18 degree. No, the other direction, 12. A little bit close, maybe 11. That's I think that's better, but still 10. It's a little bit very confusing. Hang on, let me just try HI. Now that's better. So now select it. Now we just need to make sure. So see this point is on this edge, which is good, and then it go to this side. Actually, it's acceptable, I believe. Yeah, it's good. So I'll just use this one. So this, let's see, check. So 10, 3 meter, 30. 3 meter, 60. Okay, so HR, I'll show all of these. Let's select all of them. Oh, actually they are already, see, good. They are all 10, 3 meter, 30, 3 meter, and 60. So good. So they are all good now. So then we just need to create a curtain panel family. So create a new family and curtain panel pattern base. Okay, so just use this, so which is a rectangle. So rectangle, and then just place a point on this reference line, reference rectangle, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick this work plane and then draw. So I'm not sure what size, maybe 150. Okay, and 150. So, and then I'm going to just move this so it's centered to this reference line. And also I'm not going to make it parametric, so I'll just create a, so select these two reference lines together with this profile and create form. Okay, and then let's load this into here. Select all the face, all the divided surface, and hang on, which one? This one, yeah. And then change this to here, so on the rectangle. So just wait for a couple seconds. Now we have all these framing, okay? And then next we just need to create the big one. So I'm just going to, looks like these need to be wider. Maybe I'll just edit family. Let's make it wider. I'll delete this one and I'll make it maybe 250. So I'll just to 50. I still want it to be centered to this reference line, so I'll change, add 50 on this side, add another 50 on the other side, so it's still centered. Okay, so once again, select these two reference plans, select this profile, create form, load into project, override. So, okay, I think that's better. So of course you can create a parameter in that family, so you can change it in here. Okay. So now the next step is I'm going to create a adaptive family for those big framing. So family, generic model, adaptive. Okay. So I'll place 3 points, 1, 2, 3, select them, spline, reference line, and then place 1 point on draw on face. Okay, so and place it on the sorry, already did one. And then reference rectangle, set world plan, pick the world plan and draw a, this time maybe 400 by 400. Okay, maybe let's make it bigger, 500 by 500. Okay, so now I'm going to move this in the center to the reference, and also I'm not going to make it parametric, so I'll just create this shape form. Okay, so sorry, I forgot. So we need to make these 3 point adaptive. Okay, so now it's finished. HR, load this back into which one? 6 or 7? 6. Okay, so load this into 6. And now we can manually place them. So before I place, I'll just turn off these smaller beams. Okay, so it's easier for me to pick. Now create component. I'll use SE, pick the end point, and then SM, pick the middle point, then SE, tab, pick again. So SE, SM, SE, tab, 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 SE, SM, SE, tab. Okay, so another 4. Okay, so let's just finish it. SE, SM, SE, tab. It's good to use snap, because if you use snap, you will always pick the end point. But if you use your mouse to try to pick the point, sometimes you will place it onto other model instead. Okay, so it's easier to use SE. See, you can even you just need to move onto this edge, and you don't even need to try to find that point, because sometimes it's been covered by something else. Okay, so SE, SM, SE, tab. Okay, so that's it. Now let's just turn the component on, and this one. So now you see, this is it. So diamond shape pattern with twisted main structure. So okay, so if you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.